I'm back, guys. What am I back for? Oh yeah, that's right. The spring break, have my engineer out, and there's a lot of other stuff going on, guys, with the market. So let's get right into it. All of that coming back. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. How you guys are doing out there? So I know you guys must be wondering, where the heck did I go? What happened to me? Well, basically, I had my engineer who was out. He's going through college right now, and he was going through midterms and stuff like that. And basically, without having him there to edit the videos and actually do all the back screen and everything else that you guys actually get to see, it was kind of hard for actually me to put out a video out there. Also, on top of that, while he was doing his thing, I was actually helping out a friend of mine as far as to his blog channel and as far as to his live chat that he does on radio. So therefore, we didn't really have that much time to actually coordinate and start doing these videos. But we're back again. So I do apologize for that, guys. I should have said something earlier, but things just kind of sprung up, and at the verge of the moment, we just didn't have time to actually put these videos out the way they should be. And now moving away from that and coming back to what we love to do the best, which is talk about money. Let's talk about money and let's see how things are going with the market. Now, if you guys been watching my videos and you guys been following me along, you know that I have been putting videos up as far as to Facebook breaches, as far as to Equifax, as far as to Cambridge Analytica, and as far as to tariff and everything else that goes with that, because it's basically all up dealing with business and how this affects business. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and touch on the topic again of tariff and how is tariff is affecting the market immensely. When I say immensely, I am not even lying to tell you guys. It's affecting the market immensely. The law hasn't even been put down yet. And just because it's just talk going around, so what I like to say, talk around the cooler, it's been doing a tremendous effect on the market. And it's not for the positive side. It's been on the negative side. We can see that the market last week has been struggling. And basically, I mean, take a look at it this way, guys. If the market does good on a Monday and it gives you, let's say it gives you $100, and on a Tuesday it takes away 100 and it minus you 300. But on Wednesday it gives you another $100, but by Thursday you're losing $400 and $500 again. So you can see where you're not actually winning anything and you're actually losing. Now I know that could be frustrating, and I know you guys are saying, why would I want to go ahead and do that for? Why would I want to invest right now with how the market is doing? The market right now is not doing great. I should stay away from the market right now until the market picks up and then go ahead and start to move along. Well, I'm here to tell you guys that if that's your approach and that's your attitude, well, that's great, because yeah, you get to actually save some money by actually not doing it that way and actually just waiting. But the wrong thing about that is that you're not actually getting the deals. And that's what I'm here to tell you guys about. Because remember, like I told you before, we're always looking for that opportunity, and that opportunity has arisen. So we're talking about stocks that normally don't dip this low that are actually dipping this low. It is a perfect opportunity right now to jump on stocks that you maybe wanted to jump on, but just couldn't afford it. And right now it has fallen to a price where you can afford it. It's not the time right now to run away from the fire. You have to be the fireman and actually run into the fire and turn the fire off. Because when the fire is off and the smoke has cleared, you're going to be the hero. And that's what we're looking at here. We're looking at to actually make those gains as the market opens up and goes back again to hopefully what we see a normal market right now. We know that the Fed hikes wants to go ahead and raise Fed hikes again. So that's a problem with the market again. We also know that the president wants to go ahead and put this tariff war with China and all these other countries, but then he's excluding some other countries and just being lenient with them and not actually putting that much pressure on them, which is not the right thing to do. That's two. Three, we also know that with everything that's going along and everything that's moving around, the media has the biggest impact on this. And when I say the media, I mean the media has the biggest impact on this. Haven't you guys noticed that when the market is down, they love to take brokers on the dance floor, or what I call the stock exchange, and actually take pictures of them with their hands on their head, or they're looking into the sky, maybe looking for an answer or something, or it's just so depressing that they just, they're just breaking down. This is basically the media just hyping things up and making it look even worse than what it already is. So with that being said, remember, there's always someone behind the curtain that is looking to get those deals. And we see that when the market is doing bad like this, I have noticed myself personally that a lot of banks go ahead and invest a lot more on those stocks that normally were at a higher range that has come down to a lower range and actually capitalize on it. So we see that crude oil is one of these things that now a lot of banks have actually invested a lot of more money into. Not telling you guys to actually invest on crude oil, not saying that, but that's something to actually look at. We also see that the technology has taken a beating on the market. And when I say a beating, I mean a tremendous beating on the market right now. But again, that should not deter you. That should not go ahead and push you away and say, you know what, I'll wait till it picks up. Now it's the time to actually go ahead and jump in and get some of those gains. Remember, guys, opportunities like this really don't knock too often. And if you can get an opportunity to actually grab a stock at a sweet price and then actually ride that stock as you go along and keep it on your portfolio, hopefully for the long term, well, you're looking at a fantastic gains. So keep that in mind, guys. All right. So when the market is on fire, don't run away from it. Actually run into it. You'll be happy that you did. And that's today's message, guys. So hopefully, if you guys have any questions or any comments, please leave it at the comment section below. And as always, guys, don't forget, more gains, more gains, more gains. Giving it your maximum effort. Peace out.